The first step installing the Freedom Stand is to attach the column to the base plate. With the pads face down, place the base plate over the edge of a sturdy surface, followed by placing the work surface on top to help keep the base plate stable. Next, align the column over the holes in the base plate. Secure the column to the base plate using the 4 countersunk screws and the 5mm Allen wrench. To attach the work surface to the column, start by screwing in the top 2 screws with a 4mm Allen wrench, leaving approximately a 1/4 inch space between the back of the work surface and the screw head. This will allow you to slide the screws into the slots in the column bracket. With the work surface in place, attach the remaining 2 screws in the lower holes. Tighten all screws until the work surface is secured to the column. Next, attach the height adjust lever to the underside of the work surface. The lever attaches to the work surface using the 3 Phillips head screws. For Freedom Stand Single, you may need to loosen the screws located on the back of the monitor bracket to allow it to slide onto the column. Once the assembly is at the desired height, tighten the 2 screws using the 5mm Allen wrench. For Freedom Stand Dual, pre-assemble the dual monitor beam prior to placing it onto the column. With all the components in place, snug the screws using the 5mm Allen wrench, but do not tighten all the way. Slide the assembly onto the column to your desired height and then tighten the screws to secure the beam to the column. To attach the monitor to the VESA plate, start by removing the VESA plate from the pivot. For monitors with a recessed mounting area, place the black rubber spacers in between the monitor and the VESA plate. If your monitor does not have a recessed mounting area, you do not need to use the spacers. With the VESA plate in place, secure to the monitor using 4 screws and washers. Once attached, slide the monitor onto the pivot. You can fine-tune the height of the monitor by turning the knob on the top of the VESA plate assembly with a 6mm Allen wrench. Monitor rotation friction can be adjusted by turning the screw on the top of the pivot with a 6mm Allen wrench. Turn clockwise to strengthen, counterclockwise to loosen. You can also adjust the monitor tilt friction. Turn the screw on the side of the pivot with a 6mm Allen wrench. Turn clockwise to strengthen, counterclockwise to loosen. Freedom Stand allows monitors to be easily rotated from landscape to portrait, and with the Freedom Stand Dual, the monitors can slide along the beam, allowing you to create your desired viewing angle. With the monitor assembly installed on the column, attach the cap to the top of the column. For Freedom Stand Dual, you'll need to attach the cable manager to the back of the beam using a Phillips head screw. Route the monitor cables through the cable managers located on the back of the monitor bracket and at the base of the column. The Allen wrenches can be conveniently stored in the cable management clip. To raise and lower Freedom Stand, press the height adjust lever and hold while lifting the work surface. Release the lever once the desired height has been reached, and the work surface will lock in place.